Hi, it's Monday morning. Bit of a recap, really, rather than sort of figuring out what's going to happen next. But obviously, Bitcoin found a lot of support around that $60,000 area last week, which is exactly what we'd hoped would happen after the Head and Shoulders failed. That fooled me a bit, but it did actually hold a very good support level on the daily chart. Let me just show you that. So basically, the 23.6% fib at 58,000 was the level that held. And then obviously 60,000 took over last week, as you saw on the 4-hour chart. We had this consolidation, basically. We've broken above the previous highs, last week's high, the 2-week high, actually, the week before, and last week's high. And we've just rocketed now. Don't know what's triggered it, but there you go. So it looks like we're heading for the all-time high at 67,000 or just below it. Will that hold on the next test? I wouldn't bet on it. No, there's no way that I'd be selling into a short position there. Obviously, we get through 67,000, then we are going to be continuing that bull trend. Nice breakout for Ripple too. That was really confusing. All this here was very, very confusing. Moving averages and everything else. Didn't really know what was going on, but finally figured out that it was this trend line that was key. Last week we rejected it, pulled down. Slightly awkward down here because I had a buy level of around 115, 114, stop below 113. We got down as far as, 110, obviously, a bit further than I expected, but a good bounce off anyway. Now, finally, we've broken that trend line, so this looks really good for Ripple as well. I see nothing really to stop us retesting this high from September up at 141.50. I think we're just going to go straight there, quite honestly. Ethereum, well, it's broken to new highs anyway. So again, this should just continue up. It all looks very bullish to me.